Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today we got another simple, delicious, and easy cook for you. We are going to be doing crispy chicken thighs in the Power XL 10 quart Vortex 1700 watt, and they're going to be super crispy, super delicious. So let's go ahead and get into the cook. All right, so what we got here is 4 chicken thighs, bone in. I haven't done anything to them, just your regular thigh. We got them skin side down. So the first thing you want to do with thighs, sometimes you want to trim because they come with all this extra skin. As you can see, it folds over. Now, I like to get rid of that. You don't have to if you don't want to, but what you're going to want to do is get yourself a sharp knife and trim them all so that here's one that has a lot of skin at the bottom, so a lot of skin there. Open it up, take that skin. Now, some people are like, hey, you're gonna take all that crispy goodness away. There's gonna be a lot of crispy goodness on the top. I just find that when you're air frying, the bottom might burn a little bit, and that's all. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim these up real quick. This one actually doesn't need much trimming. All right. And this one actually just a little edge right here. No big deal at all. And you're gonna wanna make sure to get a sharp knife because that can be hard to get off sometimes. Anyway, that's what we got. So we got our chicken thighs trimmed. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in with some seasoning. What we're gonna use is cracked black pepper, garlic salt, and a couple of rubs. I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, so first thing we are going to do, some cracked black pepper all over the bottom. Just make sure to hit it good. If you don't like black pepper, I don't know what's wrong with you. But anyway, get some cracked black pepper on there. Then we're gonna go in with some garlic salt. Just adds, the black pepper and garlic salt is just so good on everything. All right, so get that on there, nice amount. And then we're going to use 2. So on the bottom here, we're going to go in with some Tony Chachere's. So go ahead and get that on there on the bottom. All right. And then on the top, what we're going to use, we're not going to use the Tony's on the top, only the bottom. And on the top, we're going to come back and use some of the famous Dave's rubs. So what you're going to want to do, flip these things over real quick. And then on the top, go in with some high heat oil. Vegetable canola oil is fine. I got some avocado and just a light spray, very light. One of 2 things, or this is gonna do 2 things. 1, it's gonna help crisp it up. 2, it's gonna help the seasoning stick. So on the top, black pepper. Going in with that garlic salt. Yum. Man, it already smells good. How can raw chicken smell so good? I don't know, but it does. And the last thing, that famous Dave's rub. So we went the Tony's on bottom. And then we're going with this on the top. Not only does it have a great flavor, but it also gives a nice color to the skin. So that's it. Ooh, those are gonna look nice, brown, beautiful, golden, and crispy for sure. All right, folks, that's it. Bottom, top, seasoned up. There we go. So let's go ahead and actually put these on the air fryer racks because that's important of how you do it. And let me show you that. Okay, so we got our air fryer rack. Now what you're going to want to do, and this is key to the crispy chicken so you don't burn it and you actually get nice, awesome crispy, is the skin side. You want to put the skin side down in the beginning here. All right, so make sure that the skin side is down, just like that. And now let's go ahead and go to the air fryer and get these things cooked. See you in a minute. Okay, so we are at the air fryer. Super easy. I'm gonna go ahead and open this thing up. We've already got our rack with our chicken on it. Remember, skin side down. We're gonna go in here on the middle rack, close it up, turn it on, and 400. Now, we are going to bump this up to 20 minutes. Now, you're gonna wanna stick around for this because these things are gonna be phenomenal. 20 minutes, we'll be right back with you. See you then. Right, as you can see, down to the last minute, it says off. That's been 20 minutes. Let's open this thing up and see what we got. Now, there's gonna be juices dripping everywhere, so I'm not gonna bring this close to the camera. What I'm going to do is, well, maybe I will. Screw it, I'll just wipe the juices up, but anyway, they're awesome. So what we're gonna do real quick is we are gonna flip the chicken in place. Don't move them, but how they are, just flip them. We'll be right back. Okay, so we just flip the chicken in place. Don't change them, just flip them where they are. At this point, you might want to add a little bit of seasoning because with that grease, sometimes the seasoning can go. So just add a little bit more seasoning to it. Awesome, but we're going back in middle rack. Get in there, middle rack. Oh, that's one thing I love about this. The door actually comes off super easy for cleaning. I absolutely love that. This thing is a chicken cooking machine. So we're going back up to 400. All right, now we're gonna set it for 20. It normally don't take 20 minutes, but we'll check in and see where we're at. We'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, so we did 20 minutes on one side. I turned it over or flipped them, set it for 20, but as you can see, there's still 9 minutes left. So 11 minutes on this. I'm looking in the window and they look pretty brown and crispy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually pull them out, and you have to have a thermometer. No matter what it is, it has to tell the temperature because chicken is done at 165. Now with thighs or dark meat, I'll take these anywhere between 165 to like 190. They can handle it. It's still gonna be juicy and tender, but I just want to get in here and kind of see where we're at temperature wise. Oh my God, look, that is, yep, there we go. Once you can see it, I don't know if I can register real quick. It was 176. That is perfect. 175 is actually my perfect mark for these. Ooh, that's 181. I have to take these out. Check. 172 and pushing, 177. That's sliding like butter. Oh, 180. These look, do those not look delicious? Ooh, let's get these to the cutting board and try them. Are they as good as they taste? We'll show you in just a minute. All right, guys, so we're finished with the cook. This is what became, I'll give you a closer look, but fried chicken, air fried. Oh yeah, there was 4, now there's 3. I'll let you kind of guess what happened to the other one. Anyway. So this is what we got, and we're gonna go ahead and, ooh, look at that. Give it a try. I almost burnt my mouth trying the other one, but juices are falling everywhere. I need a napkin. This is phenomenal. Be right back. All right, so that's it. That's how easy it is. 20 minutes on one side, about 10 minutes, and you can leave it in a little longer. And a pro tip right here, if you want that extra crispy skin, leave it in a little bit longer. Another pro tip is you want barbecue chicken. This is done just like this. Throw some barbecue sauce on it. Put it back in for 2 to 5 minutes, depending on how caramelized you want your barbecue sauce. Boom. You got some barbecue chicken, which turns out absolutely amazing. Now, if you are new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Give a thumbs up, please leave an awesome comment, share this video. With that being said, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.